I'm really excited to bring you these fabrics. This is a little bit of an extension of the Cape webcast because I've gotten a lot of questions back on, what can I do? Anyway, let me show you these. So, this is a great collection. We're going to do all these for $14.99, which I almost feel like it's giving them away, but they're beautiful fabrics and beautiful prices. This first, we're going to start with red. Red and pink are still dominating lots of clothing. This is such a beautiful cape, especially going into the holidays. It is a stretch woven. It's a cotton poly, mostly cotton, just a little bit of poly, but it just has a beautiful drape to it. Very, very pretty. This is a viscose. You can see the colors are just terrific together. 100% viscose. This is a woven, and again, just really beautiful. We get into a little reversible sheen here. This is a hot pink, and again, just really great drape, very pretty blouse. Nothing ruffly because the fabric is just a little bit too stiff for that. It is a stretch woven with stretch in one direction. It's a cotton poly. This is 100% viscose. There's just a few yards of this. You can see it's adorable. Really ties in the black and the reds and the pinks together. It has all the colors in there. This is a stretch. It's 100% viscose. It has stretch in one direction. This is a cotton, almost 100%. Got a little bit of poly in there. It's a beautiful tone-on-tone woven. Really, either side is usable. Great for a little jacket. Fringe this out. The selvage is amazing. Again, $14.99 for these is to make you happy. How's that? And then I'm putting in black. It ties it all together. But mainly, this is a wool silk at $14.99. And the other day when we had a Cape webcast and somebody wanted a black that would go with that one particular fabric, the little print, this is perfect. So I put this in, really, this is a woven. It would make great pants, cape, just all kinds. And again, it's a wool silk blend. So all $14.99 today and tomorrow. And the goal, of course, is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.